Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can see this is search button. You just clicked, then enter your model number B760M DS3H DDR4 Generation 5. Then hit enter. Then click to product. The title of the model number. Then click to support. Then click on support. VGA means LAN driver, display driver, graphic card driver, and click to download. And just click to download, it will start downloading. You can see like that graphic card driver, and this is 770 size. Then downloaded, then just open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. You can see this is installing. Wait few seconds. This is graphic card driver. So it will install. After that, automatically close it and then close it.